this is Anne from Odulcina. This is a letter kind of bundle. Look at that. Let me show you. I found in a thrift store a big pile of envelopes, and these are huge. They are like 9.5 by 6.5, so it is pretty big. Let me do a comparison. So if I have a book, this is letter format size, and that's the envelope. Okay, so it is big. So I thought I could do something special, and instead of doing a junk journal, it is the same on both sides because I have an envelope, right? So I covered that flap, added a lace there, and I have two envelopes there, and it's kind of a stationery letter bundle. So I've cut my papers into two, and I took that kit and now I have papers to write letters and send my mail, which of course it's all fake, but that's kind of the kit. And you close that. I could have put more. I have other kits that have envelopes and the papers to write. So I'll show you the other side, but it's exactly the same. The paper, envelopes. I could add stickers, and I have kits that you can really send by mail. That was just kind of the idea there. So, of course, it could be anything, right? The idea is that I had two big envelopes, and I glued them together by a piece of fabric on both sides. But then this piece of fabric has been covered with this ledger wallpaper that I have as a digital or printed for you on Amazon in that book. This is laser printed, so even if there's a little water stain, it won't damage the print. So I thought it was perfect for a cover, so it cannot really be damaged. It's a little bit more protected than just when we print with our DeskJet printer. So, but because the envelopes are big, I could not cover the whole thing with one paper. So I took two papers, and where they join, I've used the Crafty Me Shop lace there. That's another Crafty Me Shop. That is a fussy cut from my own collection. Paper flowers that I bought somewhere. I have them for so many years that I don't recall. I stamped because, let me show you, I did some changes in my craft room. So where I used to have all the sari silk, I kind of reduced it and made them more like together. And I took my stamp collection and move it outside the container I had for that. Here it's all the words. Here it's clear stamping style, flowers, the acrylic block. So I have a lot. This is what I kept. They were my favorite from my Stampin' Up era when I used to be a Stampin' Up rep. And of course, some clear stamps that I bought on the internet, since on Amazon, for example. I want to start using my stamps. That's an easy project. I started that months ago, and I did all the inside I've put it aside, I forgot about it, and this morning I just decorated the cover. So I wanted to show you. I cannot make a video of how I made it, so hopefully it inspires you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.